Azim Premji University, we offer a range of multidisciplinary programs designed to help you explore your interest and develop a solid foundation for your future. Whether you are interested in science, social science, or humanities, our programs are open to everyone. To apply for our undergraduate program, you should be under the age of 21. You can find the specific eligibility criteria on our website. The first process is to fill up the online application form. Don't worry if you haven't completed your 12th grade yet. You can enter the 10th and 11th grade scores for now, and your final documents will be verified at the time of joining. Once you submit your application, you will be invited to take the entrance test. This test assesses your quantitative and language skills, along with additional domain-specific questions based on your preferred program. We also accept scores from CUET, JEE Mains, and SAT. Based on your performance, you may be called for a personal interview. It's more of a conversation than a test. So just relax and be yourself. Remember, not all programs require an interview. Some offers may come straight from your test results. We value diversity at Azim Premji University and give special consideration to students from underrepresented regions and challenging circumstances. Be sure to check the website for important dates. And don't forget, common FAQs like whether you can pursue 2 majors at once are all answered online. If you are ready to begin your journey, start the applications today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our admissions team. We are here to help you. We can't wait to welcome you to Azim Premji University.